Hey everybody, I'm Jimmy with Instant Brands and welcome to Savor and Instant. I am very excited because today is our first official, non-official holiday episode. It's Sunday.
Yes, I know.
Why?
We already talked about this.
So I can't say anything that's trademarked? Instant Brands.
Yeah.
Okay, why can I say Instant Brands? Fine. Big Game Sunday. Lucky for you, among the 1,500 recipes available on our Instant Brands Connect app is the perfect dip for your Big Game Sunday party. Slow cooked cracked chicken dip. And honestly, this is a bountiful recipe. So you better get your biggest, nay, your superest bowl. And get ready to make slow cooked cracked chicken dip at home. It's super simple, and let's go through it. I've had the Instant Pot on the saute function on high for a few minutes so that it gets nice and warm. And the first thing we're gonna do is cook off our diced bacon. So we're gonna put it in here and let it cook for probably about 7 to 10 minutes until it gets nice and crispy and renders all of its fats. So the first thing we're gonna do is take our chicken and give it a healthy sprinkle of salt, pepper. God, I love the smell of bacon in the morning. It smells like victory. Am I allowed to say that? Next thing we want to do is get our cheese mixture put together. We're not going to use all of the cheese as the recipe states. We're going to use about half. And we're going to add in our garlic powder, onion powder, dried chives, and dill. Generally mix that. It doesn't need to be perfect. Once this bacon's done, we're going to actually sear the chicken in the same pot. So we're going to very carefully pour out all but about a tablespoon of the bacon fat. Then we are going to start searing our chicken breasts. We're gonna let those sear for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Now that our chicken has a nice sear on it, we're gonna take it out, turn the Instant Pot off, and then we're gonna add chicken broth to deglaze the bottom of the pan. And once you get that in there, you wanna really scrape the bottom up. So now we're gonna return the chicken back to the pot now that it's been deglazed. And then we're gonna toss in the mixture that we made earlier. It's super easy to do, obviously. So I'm gonna set it, start it, and while the slow cooker does its magic, I'm gonna get my crew psyched for this. Oh, I know, the big game. Hey, let's finish up our slow cooked cracked chicken dip recipe. The chicken's done cooking, so we're gonna go ahead and take it out and start shredding it before we finish up the rest. Now, something that's important about this recipe is while it says dip in the title, you can use this in all different ways. You could put it over zucchini noodles, you could put it over regular noodles, you could put it over other pieces of chicken and make some kind of weird chicken on chicken dish, which sounds wonderful. Once the chicken's shredded, we're gonna add it back into the pot. We're gonna throw in the remaining cheese for the recipe. You know who's gonna win this weekend? Whoever eats this dip, that's who's gonna win this weekend. Come on in here, team, get some of this. There we go. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel below. And don't forget to download the Instant Brands Connect app. I'm Jimmy, thank you for watching Savor and Instant, and thank you for watching me in general. Oh, okay, all right, look, get out of here! I could have caught 6 of those if I wanted to. Naturally gifted athlete.